Hello and welcome to course Success in Forex Trading Revealed, a complete course with up-to-date 2017 live examples. On this course, you will acquire essential knowledge needed to become a profitable trader, taught by a private trader with more than 20 years of experience. Forex trading business is full of false assumptions, wrong information, unrealistic methods and complicated tactics, which only add to a trader's confusion instead of generating profits. Simply put, you cannot be forever profitable by using someone else's tactics, because every person reacts differently during certain trading events. If you try to copy another trader's methods, you will end up closing an opened position prematurely, while those with more endurance under pressure will prevail, because they have more appetite for risk than you have. What you can do is to acquire robust, proven rules, skills and behavior patterns, which you can adapt to your own character and emotional profile. That way, you will always feel confident instead of being confused while thinking about what someone else will do in your place. One particular rule says that complicated matters beyond our control should not be treated in a complicated way. You have to treat them simply and consistently, because this will be the only thing you can control, and that will also be your main advantage. Your simple but robust tactics will be the market Achilles heel. Every other approach will only add to the overall clutter, which is the main reason why so many traders are constantly confused, not knowing which rules they need to stick to. Let me explain this in a straightforward way. The Forex market is too powerful to be giving attention to any single trader. The market will behave the same, no matter which tactics you use. Furthermore, the market will not change its behavior in order to prevent you from using some clever tactic to generate profits. It will simply ignore you while handing over your profits. It will be as if you said, "Well, market, you know I have found some profitable tactics," only for the market to reply, "Take your profits, I don't care." After you finish this course, you will feel relieved and confident, because you will know exactly what to do and, even more importantly, what to avoid or ignore. You will know what to do in order to make profitable moves. You will also find out what is realistic to expect, no matter what you have been told before. This essential course is the result of having read many books about trading and psychology, acquiring countless bits of information and possessing more than 20 years of practical trading experience. I will dare to say it is almost impossible to buy all this knowledge and experience in a single package for any price whatsoever. Even if you decide not to actively trade, you will acquire a lifetime's worth of knowledge, which you can use in many different situations. For example, you can supervise the fund managers who take care of your savings or pension funds, etc., because, believe it or not, they use similar knowledge to manage your funds.